Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Subject Maths, Class 4 Standard, Board, Metric, Chapter 1, Metric Measures. So, in exercise 1.2, already we have completed A and then B. So, today we are going to see C1, convert into milligrams. So, we are going to convert gram into milligrams. So, how will you convert gram into milligram? See, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and then milligram. See, 1 gram equal to how many milligrams? Tell me. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. So, 56 gram equal to 56 into 1000. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So, 56 gram equal to 56 into 1000 milligram. So, 56 into 1000, 56,000 milligrams. So, answer 56 gram equal to 56,000 milligram. Next one, 2 gram 225 milligrams. Same we are going to convert into milligrams. So, 1 gram equal to how many milligrams, children? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. See, listen, this 2 gram alone we are going to convert into milligram because 225 is already in milligrams. So, we have to convert 2 gram into milligram, then we have to add with 225. So, 2 gram 225 milligram equal to 2 gram plus 225 milligram. So, 2 gram equal to how many milligrams? 2 into 1000 milligrams. 2 into 1000 milligram plus 225 milligram. So, 2 into 1000 milligram, 2000 milligram plus 225 milligrams. So, 2000 plus 225, 2225 milligram. So, tell me the answer. Sorry. So, answer 2 gram 225 milligram equal to 2225 milligram. Next one, 3.128 grams. See, in decimal they have given 3.128 gram into milligram we are going to convert. So, first we will expand this. 3.128 gram equal to 3 gram plus 0.128 gram. So, you know already 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. So, 3 gram equal to 3 into 1000 milligram. So, can you tell me in the decimal in the fraction 0.128 equal to 128 by 1000 gram. So, next 3 into 1000, 3000 milligram. So, how will you convert into gram into milligram? We have to multiply with 1000. So, 128 divided by 1000. See, listen children, here 3 decimal places. So, we have written 1000 here. So, 128 into 1000 milligram. So, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So, we can cancel this 3 zeros. So, 3000 milligram plus 128 milligram. So, 3000 plus 128, 3128 milligram. So, tell me the answer. 3.128 gram equal to 3128 milligram. Next one, convert into liters. So they have given kiloliter and then liter. We have to convert into liter. So first we will convert kiloliter into liter, then we can add this 5 because 5 is already in liters. So listen, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So 1 kiloliter equal to how many liters? 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. So 42 kiloliter, 5 liter equal to 42 into 1000. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So 42 kiloliter equal to 42 into 1000 liter plus 5 liter. So 42 into 1000. So 42 into 1000, 42,000 liter plus 5 liter. So 42,000 plus 5, 42,005. So tell me the answer. 42 kiloliter, 5 liter equal to 42,005 liter. Next one, same, we are going to convert kiloliter into liter. So they have given in the decimal form. First we will write 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So 9.214 kiloliter equal to 9 kiloliter plus 0.214 kiloliter. So we will write 9 kiloliter. Tell me the fraction form for 0.214. So how will you write in fraction 0 point? Decimal places. How many decimal places? There are 3 decimal places. So we can write 214 by 1000 kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So 9 kiloliter equal to 9 into 1000 liter plus 214 by 1000 multiplied by 1000 because 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. See, listen children, 9 into 1000, 9000 liter plus will cancel this 3 zeros and then this 3 zeros. So 214 liter. So 9000 plus 214, 9214 liter. So answer 9.214 kiloliter equal to 9214 liter. Next one, 10.029 kiloliter equal to. So we will write 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So 10.029 kiloliter equal to 10 kiloliter plus 0.029 kiloliter. So we will write 10 kiloliter. So tell me the fraction for 0.029. 29 by 1000 kiloliter. So 10 kiloliter equal to 10 into 1000 liter because 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. So 10 kiloliter equal to 10 into 1000. So 29 by 1000 into 1000 liter. So 10 into 1000, 10,000 liter plus will cancel this plus 29 liter. So 10,000 plus 29, 10,029 liter. So answer 10.029 kiloliter equal to 10,029 liter. Next one, fill in the blanks. See, listen children, we are going to convert liter into milliliter. So how will you convert liter into milliliter? Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, then milliliter. So we are going to convert liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1.1 liter equal to, we can write 1 liter plus 0.1 liter. So 1 into 1000, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Next 0.1, how will you write in decimal fraction children? 1 by 10. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we can write 1000 milliliter. So 1 into 1000, 1000 milliliter plus will cancel for 1 0, 1 0 cancel. So 1 into 100, 100 milliliter. So 1000 plus 100, 1100 milliliter. So what is the answer? 1.1 liter equal to 1100 milliliter. Next one, 4.5 gram equal to how many milligrams? So listen, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, then milligram. So 1 gram equal to how many milligrams children? 1 gram equal to how many milligrams? Look at the arrows. So 3 times. So we can write 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. So 4.5 grams equal to, so we can write 4 gram plus 0.5 gram. So 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So 4 gram equal to 4 into 1000 milligram. So tell me the fraction for 0.5. Shall we write 5 by 10? Yes. So only one decimal place, 5 by 10. So 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So into 1000. Will cancel for the 0 and then 0. So 4 into 1000, 4000 milligram. Next 5 into 100, 500 milligram. So 4000 plus 500, 4500 milligram. So tell me the answer. 4.5 gram equal to 4.5 gram equal to 4500 milligrams. Next one, 3.02 centimeter equal to dash millimeter. See, listen children, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and then millimeter. So we are going to convert centimeter into millimeter. We are going to convert centimeter into millimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So we are going to convert 3.02 centimeter into millimeter. So 3.02 centimeter equal to 3 centimeter plus 0.02 centimeter. So we'll write 3 centimeter plus 0.02 in fractions. We'll write 2 by 100 centimeter. So 3 centimeter equal to how many? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 3 centimeter equal to 3 into 10 millimeter plus 2 by 100 into 10 millimeter, because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So we'll cancel the 0 and then the 0. So 3 into 10, 30 millimeter plus 2 by 10 is 0.2 millimeter. So 2 by 10. So 30 plus 0.2, 30.2 millimeter. So the answer is 3.02 centimeter equal to 30.2 millimeter. So 2 by 10 is 0.2. Next one, 2 kilometer 5 meter. So we are going to convert kilometer into meter. So this is already in meter. So we will convert this 2 kilometer alone into meter. Okay. So 1 kilometer equal to how many meters, children? 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer 5 meter equal to, here we will write the answer 30.2. So here also we will write the answer 1100 and then 4500. So 2 kilometer equal to 2 into 1000 meter plus 5 meter, because we are going to convert into meter, so we can add 5 meter. So 2 into 1000, 2000 meter plus 5 meter. So 2000 plus 5, 2005 meter. So what is the answer? 2 kilometer 5 meter equal to 2005 meter. So we will write here 2005 meter. Next one. See, we are going to convert meter into centimeter. So this is 8 is in centimeter. We are going to convert this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter. So 1 meter equal to how many centimeter, children? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 12 meter 8 centimeter equal to, so we have to multiply 12 into 100. 12 into 100 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, because this is already in centimeter, 8 centimeter. So 12 into 100, 1200 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So 1200 plus 8, 1208 centimeter. So what is the answer? 12 meter 8 centimeter equal to 1208 centimeter. Next one, 5 liter 40 ml equal to dash ml. See, listen, we have to convert liter into milliliter. This is in milliliter, so we have to convert liter into milliliter. So kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and then milliliter. So 1 liter equal to how many milliliters? Tell me, 1 liter equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So 5 liter 40 milliliter equal to, see, we are going to multiply 5 into 1000, because we are going to convert liter into milliliter. So 5 into 1000 plus 40 milliliter. So what is 5 into 1000? 5 into 1000 is 5000 milliliter plus 40 milliliter. So 5000 plus 40, 5040 milliliter. So the answer is 5 liter 40 milliliter equal to 5040 milliliter. So 5040 milliliter, here 1208 centimeter. So listen children, exercise 1.2 we have completed. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.